Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today we will see that what all I got in my August fab bag. First of all, please excuse this situation. These are the pigmented nails. Please excuse that. I'm working on it and I am also recording it. So please excuse it. And I'm also filming it from my phone because I cannot wait to upload this video. So let's just quickly see what all I got in my bag. So the first thing is this Batiste dry shampoo. This one is in the variant cherry. I have already like tons of it. पता नहीं कितनी सारी bottles पड़ी हुई हैं और use भी नहीं करती मैं, तो I'll just pass it on to somebody else. So this is the first thing. And the second thing is, which I actually really like, is this Bella Vost lipstick. This one is in the shade Fuchsia Flash, and this is how the swatch of it looks like. It's actually very pretty bright fuchsia color, and I ordered it for my mom. Actually, I chose it, you know, every time Fabbag send you a mail to choose a color for yourself, so I chose this one. And this is how the bullet actually looks like. Not the bullet, the tube. And this is how the bullet looks like. It looks more dark in the bullet, but actually the swatch is quite pretty. So this is the second thing. And the third thing is this one is by Opulence. This is a sugar scrub for face and this is a sugar scrub for face and for your body. I cannot talk today. So the ingredient says that it has organic brown sugar, almond oil, olive oil, vitamin E oil, sunflower, wheat germ, whatnot. It has good oils in it, and it retails for 500 rupees, as you can see. And this is how it looks like. It has brown sugar in it, which is great. And the last thing is the sheet mask. This one is by the brand, just read it by yourself, I don't know how to pronounce it, I don't want to butcher the name. And you can wear it on your neck as well, which is unique. I have seen this kind of sheet mask, but I have never tried it by myself. And it also has its serum and the essence thingy that you can, you know, apply it after you are done applying the sheet mask. And this is how it looks like. It looks quite promising, and it retails for 200 rupees. And let me tell you the price of other things as well. The Batiste dry shampoo retails for 300 rupees, and the lipstick retails for 449, and the scrub is for 500, and the sheet mask is for 200 rupees. So this is the in my fab bag contest. If you will participate, you will win this one, this blush. So yeah, so these are all the stuff that I got this time. If you like this video, then make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.